Sir. Sir, what are you doing? Are you trying to fold my laundry? Archie. What? You need to fold laundry? Okay, go deal with my laundry chair. Right over there. Lots of laundry for you to fold. Is that what you're going to do? You're going to fold laundry? No? You want pets? Why don't you make biscuits? That's what you're excellent at. You're a professional baker. Professional biscuit maker, sir. I'll fold laundry someday. Yeah, make your biscuits. Making biscuits, cheddar bake biscuits. Secret family recipe. Passed down through the generations. Yes, Archie, you're so cute. Good boy.